This is a video about the head monadic verb. It's a monadic verb with infinite rank that returns the first item of its argument. But what does this mean? Well, monadic verbs have only one argument. That's why they're monadic. Infinite rank verbs look at the whole of that argument, and head returns the first item of that argument. So how does it do this? Well, we can think of it like it's a two-step process. In the first step, the take dyadic verb creates a list of length 1 from all the items in the argument. So you end up with a list with only the first item in it. After you get that result, then you use the from dyadic verb just to pull out that first item. Let's take a look at some examples. I'm going to start with a rank 3 array. This one's shape is 224. It's comprised of 2 items, which are 2x4 tables. Head's going to take that first step of taking that first item and making it into a one-item list. So its shape is going to change to 124, and then I'm going to take the first item of that, and that shape will be 24. So that's the process that head's going to go through. We can do the same thing with literals. In this case, it's a different rank. It's rank 2. The shape is 24. Again, 2 items, which are rows of 4. I'm going to take that first item, make it into a one-item list, so it shapes 1, 4, and then take the first item of that, which gives me shape 4. Carrying on into atoms, there's only one item here, and that's the atom itself. So head is going to make that into a one-item list, so the shape's going to change to 1, and then it's going to take the first item of that one-item list, and the shape goes back to being an atom.